Once you enter your email address and click Send Personalize Setup link, we will send you an email with a link to set your meal preferences. Please note, this link is valid for 60 minutes. If the link expires, you will need to enter your email address again to get a new link. When you click the Fill Preferences form, the personalization dashboard will appear. Here, you can choose your location so MealestroAI suggests ingredients available near you. Next, select how many meals you and your family have each day to help with proper calorie distribution. Then, you will provide information about everyone joining the plan. When you enter sex and age, MealestroAI will automatically fill in average height and weight for that age group. This makes setup faster even if you do not remember every detail. You can adjust these values as needed. Choosing the right activity level helps us calculate calorie needs for each person. You can add up to 10 profiles. You can also select allergies and set dietary needs, such as health focus and dietary preferences. After that, you can pick your cooking style, whether you want to cook daily or prefer batch cooking with MealestroAI's guidance to save time in the kitchen. You can also mention additional preferences and ingredients you want to avoid. On the last screen, you can choose the day to receive your meal plans. You can also add another email if someone else will cook with you, so you both share access to the same plans and shopping lists. After finishing onboarding, we will review your preferences to give you the best experience. After we review your preferences, you will receive a welcome email with your MealestroAI personalized link to your dashboard. This link lets you access your meal plans, and you can also add it to your mobile home screen for quick access to MealestroAI. When you click the link, you will go straight to your personalized dashboard. At the top menu, you will see links to meal plans, shopping list, favorites, and tools. You can update your preferences anytime. Just click Tools, then select Edit Preferences. You will be asked for your email address, and a link to your preferences will be sent to your inbox. Make sure to use the same email address you signed up with. When you click the link in the email, your preferences dashboard will open with your current settings already filled in. You can make any changes you need and click Send to update MealestroAI with your new preferences.